Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session I will share with you again new project where we are going to detect car engine parts names, also what it made from, means let's just say it is made from aluminum or metal, simple. So we will use Google Gen AI Gemini 2.0, which is the latest vision model and LLM model. So before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and let's get started. So friends, as I mentioned, today we will use again our latest Google Gemini Gen AI version, which is the 2.0 latest version, which is basically the vision and the LLM model. And we have here engine parts video, and we are going to send detected frame image every 5-second image. We are going to send our Gemini Gen AI, and then Gen AI will respond what is the name of that particular part and what it made from. Simple. So for that, as we always do, I have created a new repository. Simply copy paste the link inside web browser, then download zip format repository, and then we will simply unzip our repository. So this is what our repository. Right click, extract all, click on extract, it will extract our repository. Done. So inside repository I have mentioned the full code. The code is basically the same from the last session. Here we use Gen AI directly. There is no YOLO 11 part because I have not created a custom object detection model which detect engine part. We directly use Google Gen AI 2.0 latest model, latest AI model. Simple. So there is no YOLO 11 part. So first we will download our video file. So vid.txt, just open it, copy paste the mega cloud link and open the browser, new tab, Ctrl+V. It will open our video link, and we will simply download our video file. So let's just click on download, and it will download our video file. So meanwhile we will create our Gen AI key, Gemini API key. So open the website, Google Gemini API key, and here I have already created one API key for our last session. So create API key, new one, select it, create API key, and it will create our API key. Copy it, and we will simply paste our API key in file. So I have here my API.txt file, Ctrl+V. That's it, save it. Now we have our API key, and the video is still downloading. So meanwhile what we will do, we will copy paste our key and we will open our code. So our repository, this is what our code, and at the end, friends, here we want to simply paste our new API key. And basically the video file name is I have already mentioned the video file name because I have already tested the code. So the video file name is parts.mp4. So our video is still downloading. So meanwhile I will explain the code. So the code is basically the last session's same code, where we have our agent, with the help of LangChain. So the packages, just open the tools, because here there is no YOLO 11 part, so we will not install Ultralytics. We will install OpenCV-Python package. Hit enter. First package, click on install button, done. It will install OpenCV-Python package, and then we need LangChain. So LangChain, first package, then click on install button, done. It will install LangChain. Then we need LangChain-core. So first package, click on install button, done. It will install LangChain core. Then we need LangChain Google Gen AI, hit enter. First package, click on install button, done. It will install the packages. So this is how we need OpenCV-Python, LangChain core, LangChain Google Gen AI, the packages. And the class name which I have created, which is the engine parts recognition, where we are going to where we have basically the live frame, and every 5 seconds we will send the image, means we will send the frame. Here it is, as you can see, send every 5 seconds. After every 5 seconds we will send live frame image to Gen AI, and Gen AI will be response. So what is our agent response? Our agent response is like this way: identify the engine part in this image and provide its names and what it made from, only no details. And the table like this way: engine part name and what it made from. Simple. So this is the code. This is basically our code. So now let me check our video file is downloaded or not. Yes, our video file is there. So we have our video file. Now let me open downloads folder and parts.mp4. This is what our video file. Cut it and we will mention our video file inside our repository. Paste it. Let me open first video file, then you will get the idea. So as I mentioned friends, as you can see, there is several engine parts, and our goal is to detect the engine parts name and what it made from. We are going to send the images to our Gen AI, and then Gen AI will be response. So simple. This is what our video file. Now we have our video file ready. Now what we will do, we will simply start our code. We mention our API key, and I have mentioned the full code, so no problem. And there is no big deal with the code. It is really easy. We have our video file, and then every 5 seconds we will send the live frame to Gen AI. Done. Now let's just start the code. And we started our video file also, as you can see. So it's detecting the first part, which is engine block, Gen AI said, and it's made from the metal alloy, engine block, metal alloy, as you can see. And then now we have cylinder bore, cast iron, aluminum alloy. This is basically the engine part name and what it made from. Then camshaft, it is made from the metal, it says. As you can see, the valve cover metal, valve spring metal, head gasket, rocker arm assembly, this one, the rocker arm assembly. Then we have a new part here, cylinder head, as you can see, cylinder head, aluminum or cast iron. Simple. Then we have here again new part. So this is the new part here. And intake manifold, which is made from metal, this one. Then we have new part. Crankshaft metal, gear metal, shaft metal. Then this is what the pistons, piston ring steel, piston aluminum alloy, connecting rod steel, main bearing cap cast iron. So friends, without any training, the main thing is what? Without any training, we are detecting our engine parts, and the result is in front of you. And remember one thing friends, this is just a free API key. If you go with the paid Gen AI API key, the result will be most in real time and fast. I have here a free API key, so that's why I have sending the image from the frame to every 5 seconds. If I send continue at the real time images, it will get the error. Basically the resources is overload, because we have here a limited use. Simple. But it's detecting all the parts. As you can see, it's detecting all the parts, and we have here a result. oil pump metal, oil pickup tube metal. So I have mentioned the full code. Also I have shared the video file also. You can cross check, or if you have any your own video file, you can simply test with the code. I hope you will learn something from this video. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thank you, take care, and bye bye.